guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing, well, not we, but me. I'm going to be doing a facial at home, and it's not going to be just any facial. It's actually going to be a facial for people that have acne like myself. I deal with a lot of acne scars and just acne, and then right now with us being in quarantine, I cannot get facials. So I usually get a facial once a month, and it's like an acne facial, and that really helps my skin. But when I can't get a professional facial, then I do one here at my house at home. So I wanted to show you guys what I do, just in case you are dealing with acne as well and you need to kind of control it while you're at home, or you don't want to spend all that money going to go get it professionally done because you want to save them coins. I gotcha. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my facials at home, and I want you guys to watch. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this facial at home. So with this facial at home, you are gonna need to purchase some things, but they're not expensive at all, and I will link them down below of each item that I did get. I also will tell you guys about each item that I did get. So you're gonna have to purchase some things. So I'm gonna be using a steamer, which I really love. I got this from Amazon. It is perfect amount of steam, and it's like perfect. You can take it anywhere if you'd like to. The other thing that I do that's like gonna be kind of like a big purchase that you'll need to do is gonna be this suction. It's like a microdermabrasion. I like to do microdermabrasion because that's usually what I get when I go to get my professional facial, but I like that this has different nozzles on it. So you're gonna get like a smaller one. You can like take off the tip and you can change them out. So what I like to do is I use like a smaller one for if I'm just trying to suck out some active acne, or with my microdermabrasion, if I already have like acne scars, like these right here, then what I'm gonna do is use my microdermabrasion tip. That tip, it has very, let's see if it'll focus. So you can see the crystals, it's like micro crystals in it, and that's basically what microdermabrasion is. It's tiny little crystals that you're going across your face, and it's like exfoliating your skin. So it's tiny crystals that exfoliate your skin, but it gets a little bit deeper. And this is kind of cool since it does suction, and all you do is turn it on. Set like the power for it, but I wouldn't set this too high because, fun fact, I set this really high and didn't read the instructions before I used it the first time, and it literally, since it was so high, it got stuck to my cheek and I had to turn the machine off to get it off. So definitely read the instructions or else that's gonna happen to you. So the main thing that I'm gonna be using in this video for the product wise that I use every time when I do a facial at home is gonna be from my favorite facial company, Beautylish. Beautylish has basically everything. They have sent me so much stuff that I just can't get enough of it. First thing I'm gonna do when it comes to my facial is I'm going to double cleanse. So the reason why I double cleanse is because you wanna get that first layer off, not like your skin. I really like to use this brand called King, and I received this in a gift from one of my favorite bloggers. So she actually gave this to me, but I am in love with it. It glides over your skin, but it's very natural. It literally has like rose petals floating in it, but it's like an oil-based cleanser. So this just gets all my makeup off and everything off for my first cleanse. Then my second cleanse, to make sure I have everything, I'm gonna go in with my clarifying cleansing bar from Good Molecules. This is gonna be all natural in it, and it also is to help maintain a clear complexion for acne prone skin. So everything that I am using is gonna be for acne prone skin as well as sensitive skin. After my face is all clean, I like to go in with my toner from Beautylish and just make sure I rub that all over my skin. This is gonna help brighten my skin and just prepare it for the next steps. After that, I will go in with my hyaluronic acid that I got from them as well. This is gonna be really good to help make sure that your skin is gonna retain moisture. After after, I'm going to prepare my steamer that I did get from Amazon. This is amazing. I use it every single night, not just with my facials, but you just pour a little bit of water in it and the steam will start to build up, and then it'll just pour out for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I will do this every night just to help my pores open up, as well as help it to get some of the moisture into it. It's very relaxing. Next is going to be this microdermabrasion suction that I got from Amazon as well. I just put the microdermabrasion tip on. It does come with 4 other types of tips, but this one is going to be my favorite because I do get this at the spa anyways when I do get a facial. So I go ahead and I go in with this, just put it up to level 2 and then go throughout my face and give myself a microdermabrasion. This is also good because I did do it after my pores are open, so it's going to make sure it's sucking out everything out of my skin and clearing it out. Next is this new one that they gave me. It's going to be their exfoliating powder, and this stuff is so cool. So you just add a little bit of water to get the texture that you want to put it on your face. If you want it hard exfoliating, then you just don't add as much water. After I do exfoliate, I love to go in with an ice cube. I do need to invest in an ice roller, but for now I just use an ice cube and take that all over my face to help the redness and the swelling. It is going to help minimize that for you. After I go in with my next serum, I really love it. It is so amazing. So this is going to help resurface your skin and get rid of any dark spots that you may have. I like to put this on every single night before I go to bed, and this stuff is just amazing. It melts into your skin and it really does help with my acne spots and resurfacing my skin from the little bumps that you do get. So this stuff is amazing. Next, I'm going to use one of my favorites. It's the Energizing Caffeine Hydrogel eye patches that they had sent me. And y'all, this is so refreshing. It really helps just to make your eyes brighter, and especially if you haven't been sleeping and you are getting bags underneath your eye, this is going to be something that will really help with that. I just like to put one under each eye, make sure that they're secure, and just leave them on for about 10 minutes and enjoy. Last but not least is this cucumber and green tea mist that I like to finish my facial off with. Definitely feels so much better, and it's like very refreshing. That's why I use that ice. So since it is a little bit swollen and it's red, I use that ice to kind of calm everything down. And then after the ice, I do like to put my rosehip oil because that just heals everything. I keep it on every single night and it's just like works. If you haven't heard of rosehip oil, I definitely recommend it because it is the best. So this was my facial, and if you did like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on my next video.